So, we've been watching Mythbusters, and we have found like a myth. I think it's a myth. Like, they've been putting like pepper, and they've been trying to sneeze with their eyes open, and your eyes will pop out. And we're gonna try that, except with a napkin this time. So this is my dad here, and he is the one that does like all the editing and sometimes like sets up all of it. And so now let's try to do it. So my dad is gonna go first. So
hey, I thought you were going first.
no, you were.
Oh, all right. So we did a lot of research yesterday because, like Hayden was saying, they use pepper, they use feathers. Now we did a lot of research and we found that these are the best nose ticklers ever, huh? So we've labeled these so that there's no confusion. This one's going to be mine. It says Daddy. Where's yours? And what does it say?
Hayden.
Hayden on there. All right. So I'm going first? Oh, man. All right. You ready? Should I do it myself or you going to do it?
You.
All right. Here we go. I have to keep my eyes open like this, right? All right. Hold on. Ooh, nothing yet. Oh, thank you. Hold on. I think I've got.
Your face is turning red.
Oh, my word. Oh, that was horrible. All right, luckily, hold on, let me check. Oh, they're still in my socket. They didn't pop out. Oh, my word.
I saw your eyes. It didn't.
Oh,
They
that was horrible.
Okay.
Oh, my word. All right, you going?
Yeah.
All right, come in here a little bit so we don't miss any of this.
Show it. Show it.
Don't try and poke your brain. Just tickle your nose.
Okay.
Oh, you lost it? You want me to double up and I can use mine on your other mouth? All right. You guys, go for the other end?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Wait for it. It's going to be legend. Ah! All right. Well, we'll go with those two. We'll put them in slow motion, and we'll see. Because actually, you know what? Yesterday, I think Adam made it work. He kept his eyes open, and I think you pulled a Jamie. You blinked, huh? Yeah. But we'll see. We'll see on both. Hey, check your eyeballs. They still in there?
Yeah.
Both of them, or just one? That one's crying a lot. All right. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoy.
Bye. Hope you enjoy.
That was awesome, man. Oh my word. All right, go. Don't move. Don't move your head. Is it? Oh no, got him. Come on. How much are you gonna stick up there? Oh my word.